Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm pre-recording videos, so it's gonna look like I'm wearing the same thing and like different days, because I'll upload my videos differently, not the same day, but it's all on the same night. It's literally New Year's Eve. It's 11:32 on December 31st, and I'm just recording videos. My kids are at their grandparents' house, my boyfriend's at work, and I'm just home alone, and the house is quiet, and I could actually concentrate and not worry about babies screaming in the background. Anyways, that's a long intro. I'm here to review one of the gifts I got for, I guess, Christmas. You could say Christmas. It's the little liquid VICES liquid lipsticks. And they came in a little box like this. You get 4 shades. The box it comes in is so cute. It has a bunch of lips. I'm actually currently wearing one right now. I'm wearing crimson, and it's just a matte color. Let me swatch them for you guys. So this is how crimson looks. It's just a perfect red. Like, that's how I could describe it. My swatches are not perfect, but here they are. We're gonna start from the first one, which is Chrism. It's this shade right here. It's just a perfect bloody red. Like, there's no hint of gold, there's no hint of orange or anything. It's just perfect red. It's beautiful for the holidays right now. The one next to it is Amulet. Is this one right here. It's just a rose, like a rose color. The one next to it is called Backtalk, and it's just a rosy color, but it's more pink. It has more pink in it, like a baby pink. And then the last one is Purgatory, and it's a burgundy shade, but if you really look into it, it has a hint like of glitter, like metallic glitter. So these are the 4 shades right here. Okay, so you guys just saw the swatches. They all dry matte, and they all are beautiful shades. The one I have on right now is Chrism. The only thing I would say is that Amulet and Backtalk look alike a lot. So I would prefer, like, instead of Backtalk, I would prefer like a different shade. I think they should have added like a different shade, not necessarily 2 pinks. Of course, they're 2 different pinks. Like, one has an undertone of more mauvey pink, and the other one's more like baby pink. But they're too close in color. One of my favorite ones is Purgatory, and it's just like a beautiful burgundy shade, but it has hint of glitter. So I could already see me wearing this and going outside, and like the sun hitting my lips and it just shining like beautifully. But yeah, I'm gonna do a try on now. So this is Chrism on my lips. This is Purgatory, and it's a beautiful plum color. I know it probably doesn't go with my eye look I have on right now. I would say this one was it took a little more time to put on than Chrism, the red shade. I do see it kind of creasing up, and I do see some patches. Like, the glitter just seems to be right here towards the bottom, and then the top is just like a, I don't know, like a patch with no glitter. There's no glitter. They do draw on dry, and they don't transfer. So that's one thing that it's a good thing. They don't transfer, so you could eat, you could drink, you could suck, and it won't transfer. So yeah, it took a little more time, and it does have patches. So I feel like if you layer it, if you wear a lot of it, you won't see the patches on it. But I have 2 more shades to try on, so I don't want to keep layering it because it's gonna be like hell taking these off. As you can see, I swatched them right here, and I tried to scrub them, and they're not like budging, like they're not coming off. So now I'm gonna be walking around with swatches on my hand, but it's all good. I'm doing it for y'all. This is shade Amulet, and it's this like mauvey pink shade. Okay, I don't know if it's because I'm trying on a lot of product on my lip and I have to scrub them off to take it off and try on the new one. But my lips are looking kind of like dry. And it's with this shade right here. So it doesn't transfer. I forgot to say the first one that I tried on, the red one, didn't transfer either. It doesn't transfer, it just, my lips feel hella dry. I mean, they feel soft. They just feel hella dry too. And it's real like streaky. I don't like it. I don't like this shit. Out of all the shades so far, this is the one I hate the most. I'm probably gonna try it like when I'm not scrubbing the shit out of my lips. Cause I have one more to try on. So I gotta like literally, cause it doesn't come off. Do you see that? It's still on. I have to like scrub it. So it might be, that's why it's showing up probably kind of drying. Okay, so it was definitely the other formula. The formula of Amulet is horrible. Cause I just tried on backtalk and my lips look nice. Like not drying, they look smooth. It's such a pretty shade. Especially if you line your lips. I'm just like rushing and doing it because my camera's about to die and it's late. It's almost New Year's Eve, 11:56, and I recorded 3 videos. Yay, I'm doing my damn thing. But yeah, this is such a pretty shade. It's like a nude, pinky nude. These shades are described. You get 4 shades for $15 right now. On the Ulta website, you get all 4 shades for $15. They describe it as waterproof and okay, let me just read it. Get hooked on our little liquid lip VICES. This set holds deluxe samples of 4 addictive shades of VICE liquid lipsticks. Experiment with everything from brights to neutrals in 2 finishes: Comfort Matte and Metallized. Okay, so Comfort Matte is my cup of tea. The other one I don't like. It's drying. Our waterproof, long-lasting formula lays down intensely pigmented, comfortable color and insane wear. So yeah, my formula that I like is matte. I don't like the other one. It's so drying. Like you can see the cracks on your lips. I don't like that. I like the soft. I do like that it doesn't transfer. So you could eat and it's not gonna get all over your face or your teeth. And I do like the size you get. So these are the sides. Each lipstick has it doesn't say how many each one. 0.02 fluid ounces, I think. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll catch you on my next one.